Welcome back. This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I've got another video from Jeff's collection. This is a Channel Master model 6503. It's about a 1960 vintage AM only radio. He found this in a box of radios he bought. Didn't even realize he had gotten it, and it works pretty good. It's nothing fantastic. Got a nice leather case. And it's a beautiful color. Let me take it out here. It's red, my favorite color. There it is. Volume and earphone jack and tuning knob. Uses a 9-volt battery. Let's see if I dare open it. Stand by. Oh boy. I always struggle with getting these things open. There we go. Oh yeah, the electronics are packed in there. Wow. And it even comes with a schematic. Okay, let's see if it works. Put the cover back on. And we'll turn it on. It's a little off frequency. Well, it was working before. Boy, it's struggling. It's almost like the battery's loose or something. Let me try it here. There we go. There we go.
Of course you have this. Do it. My friend, my good friends did it for me.
Of course it likes that direction.
Yes, I do. I'm too lazy. 100% I think it's too lazy. I'm too lazy. I got a bad haircut.
Actually, the audio is pretty good. These speakers back in the 1960s, they weren't very good, but this one's doing pretty good.
Yeah. That's the better one? I know.
A little tinny.
See, now the confidence is gone.
See if I can tune it some more. Yeah, music. Da da da.
Weekday afternoon. Yep, 8:60. The answer. This is Seth Leachson for Town Hall.
There we go. It's got a few nicks on it. Got one right here, and then a little chip right here. But it works okay. Let me check my notes here. That one thing nice about Jeff, he gives me notes about each of the radios. Says works just fine with the original plastic caps, capacitors. And so he hasn't done anything to it. He normally gets most of his radios upgraded, but this one he didn't have to do anything. Wait a minute. What the heck is that? Okay, that's the earphone. That must be an antenna jack. Okay, Jeff, you didn't tell me what this was. I don't know what that is. I'm thinking it's an antenna jack, which would be very unusual. This is AM only. Okay, Jeff, you got to tell us what this is about. Thanks for watching. Thank you, Jeff. Have a great day. Bye-bye.